Hi, welcome back. It's 8:30 on Sunday morning and the sun's out. So I'm going to get my Kamado fired up and I'm going to cook myself breakfast. Okay, so today I'm going to be cooking myself breakfast in a bun. So I've got a standard Cumberland sausage. I'm just going to take the skin off when I can manage to do it. Get all the skin off the sausage. Now I've got to say, I'm on my own this morning. My wife's gone out and I'm trying to film this completely on my own, so that's going to be interesting. So what we're going to do is make that into a ball without the skin on. Now I'm going to go and put that aside and I'm going to go and get the beast fired up. So what I've done with the Kamado here, as you can see, I've got the charcoal just to one side and left the other side clean. The reason for that is that I want to set up two cooking zones. So I'm going to have one side that's really hot and then the other side will be just slightly cooler. So I've got my grill plate nice and hot now. On the left hand side I'm now up to 200°C, which is sort of where I want it. On the right hand side we're 120°C. So you can see I've got two different temperature zones here. While I've got the grill clean, I'm going to toast my bread. Now what I've got there, I mean, I've done this before and I've used English muffin, I've used all sorts, but I was in the supermarket yesterday and I found these cheesy cobs. And they just look absolutely lovely, so I thought I'd try this today again. But yeah, so look, they're nicely toasted now, so I'm happy with that. So I'm going to put that to one side and then we'll get cooking. What we do first, get ourselves a little bit of oil, just a little bit. First of all, a couple of pieces of streaky bacon. Now just listen to that sizzle. It's funny, actually, I had some comments the other day on my smash burger video from a guy in the US, and he was actually telling me that you can't get back bacon in the US, only streaky. I didn't know this, but then I thought to myself, I've been to the States a few times and I've never seen back bacon. I'd be interested to know if you can get it or not. Just flip that over. That's looking good. Right, so I'm happy with my bacon now. That's going to be lovely and crispy. So I'm just gonna take that off the grill. On my cooler side, I've now got myself a cooking ring, which I've buckled. I'm just gonna pop an egg in there and hopefully not break it. And then I'm going to get my sausage, if you remember, and give it a good old smash. I was actually going to make this with baked beans as well, but I know for some people baked beans is a big no-no, and I thought I'd have you all switching off the video if I put baked beans on it as well, so I won't today. Now that is going to shrink up. let them cook for a bit. So I've got my egg doing on the cooler side. I've got my sausage on the other side. So I'll just give that another. Put it down a little bit more. See there, everything's cooking nice. That egg is now looking sort of somewhat cooked, so I think I'm going to get that out. I've got to get this egg off here. I've got a blooming wasp flying. Right, so let's have a look and see if this is cooked. How this is looking. Yeah, that's looking really good. Really good. So what I'll do with that patty now, get a bit of seasoning. Bit of salt and pepper, and some cheese on. I'm happy with this now. The cheese is just slightly beginning to burn on those edges there, so probably just cut them off. Well, I'm happy with this, so I'm going to take it off, and then we can make breakfast. So here we go. We've got our toasted bread. We've got our sausage pate. Our sausage pate with the cheese on. I'm going to put a nice bit of HP brown sauce on that. Once again, I don't know if you can get that in the States, but it's a big staple on breakfast for me. Brown sauce. Got our bacon that we cooked earlier. Got our egg, if I can get it off the spatula. There we go. A little bit of seasoning on the egg. A little pinch of parsley. And then we can top it off, and there is our lovely summer morning breakfast.